This is a 1978 Chevrolet Corvette C3, finished in red with a black interior, one of the most recognizable American sports cars of its era. The C3 is known for its long hood, low stance, and bold styling that still turns heads decades later. With around 130,000 miles on the clock, this Corvette clearly has lived a full life. It's not a collector-grade show car, but that's not the point. According to the listing, the engine runs strong, which makes it a solid foundation for a classic project. The car is equipped with an automatic transmission, making it easier to drive, and a good starting point for enthusiasts who want classic looks without daily driving stress. As a project car, this 1978 Corvette offers potential, whether that means restoring it closer to stock or building something more personal. This 1978 Corvette is about character, not perfection. A classic American icon that still runs, still drives, and still has a future in the hands of the right enthusiast. Classic cars don't have to be perfect to be meaningful. Sometimes the best stories start with a project like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next classic car hunt.